student, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a very easy and a highly effective weight loss drink which will help to reduce your body weight as well as your body fat in just 5 to 7 days. This homemade weight loss drink is highly effective because it contains all the natural ingredients as well as the most effective ingredients which works best in reducing your body weight in less amount of time. So to prepare this home remedy, you're firstly gonna need 2 strawberries. And basically for this home remedy, you have to make a strawberry paste. So for that, I'm grating both these strawberries. And if you don't want to grate them, then you can also blend them or grind them in a blending or a grinding jar. And after grating both the strawberries, your homemade strawberry paste will look like this. So now to prepare this weight loss drink, you firstly have to take 1 glass of water, and here I am taking normal water, but you can also take the hot water. And then you have to add 2 tablespoons strawberry paste in this water. And then mix both the ingredients really nicely. And once both the ingredients are nicely mixed, now it's the time to add the most important ingredient of this home remedy, which is the basil seeds. And if you don't have the basil seeds, then you can also use the chia seeds. And these seeds looks something like this. And you can find these seeds at any grocery store near you. And just have to add half a teaspoon of basil seeds or chia seeds in this water. And then again just give a slight mix to all these ingredients. And after just giving a slight mix to all these ingredients, you just have to leave it for a good 1 to 2 hours, or you can even leave it overnight. And now after leaving it overnight, it will look like this. And now it's the time to add the last ingredient in this home remedy, and the ingredient is apple cider vinegar. You just have to add 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar in it, and then mix everything really nicely to make a 100% effective weight loss drink, which will reduce your body weight in just 5 to 7 days. So the procedure to intake this drink is very easy. You just need to drink this homemade drink twice in a day, once in the morning before taking breakfast and once half an hour before going to bed. And if you'll take this drink for at least 5 to 7 days, then you will be able to see the effective results on your body. Your body will be more active, energetic, and would be more light and fat free. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.